Hi lovelies, do you know you can enjoy your fruits in smoothies than eating it raw? Welcome back to my channel, lovely. So in today we'll be making mango and banana smoothie, okay? It's so better to enjoy your fruit in smoothie than eating it raw. Yeah. So here I have mango. I've already washed it very well with clean water and salt. If you've not been washing your vegetables and fruits with salt, please start today or start now, okay? It's very important because there are some germs that stick in the skin of the fruits and vegetables that we don't see or we don't know. So it's advised you wash them with salt, okay? So already I've peeled the skin of the mango and I've sliced it and keep it aside. In the blender, I just added banana and mango, and I'll be adding half cup of milk, okay? So I wanna cover it very well to blend. Shout out to my newest subscribers. You guys are welcome to the family. I'm so glad to have you here. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. You guys are the best. Thank you for always supporting me by coming back to watch my video. Always liking, commenting, and sharing. I so much appreciate. And God bless you guys, okay? And if you've watched to this extent, you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Subscription is free, it doesn't cost anything. And turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, like, comment, and share to your family and friends. And at this point, mango banana smoothie is all ready. It's best enjoyed when chilled, okay? So you can add in ice cube or leave it in the fridge to chill before drinking. Or maybe my aroma inspired me to do so. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in another video. Bye.